Years ago, my friend Kathy made me her family's version of chicken and lemon soup. I was not at all prepared for the explosion of flavor, the velvetiness of the broth. It was stunning.
Roasting your vegetables adds texture, color, and flavor.
I always have some sort of broth on the go. Slow food, not fast food, is so rewarding. Avgolemono usually contains chicken, but my vegetarian upgrade stars shimeji mushrooms. Avgolemono? This soup features a one-of-a-kind, super cool trick for thickening. Tempering is super important. Remember, we're making soup, not scrambled eggs.
Adding hot to cold gradually will keep your eggs smooth. I'm really happy with this. Hey, Kathy, how'd I do?